Hey, good evening. It might be a little noisy and it's because I'm cooking. I have cooking beef and poblano chili with rice and maybe steamed sweet potato. I was seasoning the pot and I was like, let me share. And here I have the beef seasoned and the rice here in the pots toasting. And yeah. So I'm going to go in with the poblano, chili, and some chipotle, and we go from there. So here I am toasting the rice. I have 1 cup of rice here. Toasted. I'm going to toast it with some curry. Oh, where is my curry? I was a bit distracted, so the rice is not evenly toasted, and that's not a good thing. Salt to taste. So with 1 cup rice, we use 2 cups of water, but that also depends on the type of rice. So for this rice that we're cooking, we're going to go in with 2 cups of water. And we are going to check on this in 20 minutes. I have sweet potato. I'm going to steam them and then lightly fry them. Let's see how that goes. So we're gonna put this to steam here, cover this, and then when it's done, we fry it. Back over on this side, let's do a taste test. Oh, it's caramelizing. Oi. Ooh. Tasty. We are ready to have this. Off we go. Finish. Steamed potato is finished. I have the pot here. I'm getting it warm, and then I'm gonna add oil and fry this and see how it turns out. Fry the sweet potato and see how it turns out. This is just trial and error. Steam, then fry and see. It's not a must. See if they will fry. Yeah. Tell me. How is it? So, huh? As the temperature goes down, it's nice, no? Is it greasy? Is it greasy?
It's delicious. I'm eating one. The big one.
I think I need to improve on this though.
Is that
Yeah, because I steam it first. Is stew beef with poblano chili, curry rice, and sweet potato that I steamed. The intention was to fry, but that didn't work out, so we're going with this. Provecho.
a joke on us.
You sound upset.
Yes, because we want great flavor, it's a lot of work. You have to pick up the bread, you have to step with your cheesy feet,
Cheesy feet.
and then you have to wait for months to make it go.
For it to ferment. You sound hurt, mate.
It's a lot of work.
Well, nothing good is easy. So
What about eggs? No,
Eggs?
It's tough. It's tough for the chicken.
Chicken.
Not tough for us. Yeah, you are, Teresa.
eating late, and
It's not
Bloody.
late. It's early.
this is late for me.
It's not late. 8.
It's 8:27, mate.
It's late. Sorry.
Late night munchies, and so we're talking about fruits because we need fruits. And so dude said the jicama is a pain, mezcal is a pain because you have to
Work for the flavor.
work for the flavor. And I was like, jicama is such an interesting fruit that it grows on the ground, but when you remove it and peel it, which is a task in itself, it's so crunchy, juicy, and sweet. And he went on about the grape. It's a pain. You have to pick them. People step on them with cheesy foot, and then we have to wait for a long period of time. And he was so passionate about all these things that takes a lot of time and work, and it's
For the flavor.
for the flavor. Yeah.
What are you gonna do with your mezcal?
Don't worry about my mezcal. Don't worry about it.
You know I bought it because it has 2 worms, and the 2 worms are for you.
Thank you. Don't worry about what I'm gonna do with it. Just know it's gonna be in my tummy. Not midnight. Late night munchies and chatter.
I'm gonna do yogurt with
Rompope.
You want with rompope?
Yeah, yogurt with
I'm gonna do
rompope.
with guava.
Okay.
Guava char. What do you think?
Bye bye.
You were not
It was
expecting
nice
that.
sharing with you this late night cooking. Normally I cook early, but today we got busy and carried away. So bye bye. See you in the next video. Stay positive. Think on possibilities.